fast as you can. Let's make the cheapest Halloween costume you can. Box Boy. You only need a few things. I got pool noodle, tape, scissors, and a box.
Yeah.
The first thing you need your box to be open and closed so your body can fit all the way through like this. Go shut it. Next, you're also going to need to see how the pool noodle needs to fit around you. This needs to be as high as you're comfortable with, and Henry's going to be the one wearing this. So get in here.
Okay.
And pull it up to where you would want it to be. Right, and we're just going to put this around you. And we want this to rest on his arm. So like this. The other tape was not that good. It didn't hold up anything. Oh, Henry's getting tape. Subscribe if you like Box Boy. Now we got good tape. This is the kind of tape you need to use. Now we're going to just put the box aside like this to the side because it was hard to do it with Henry in it.
Maggie, come here. Maggie.
So we're just going to put a piece of tape right over the pool noodle right
Maggie.
over here.
Oh, face. Oh, God.
If you have two pool noodles, then I do recommend using both of them because this will not hold them that much. We're not going to use this for trick or
Maggie,
treating.
no.
Sorry. Have a
Maggie.
dog. Maggie, get off.
Oh.
Just go over there and call her. No, don't pick her up. Just
Maggie.
go over there and call her.
Maggie,
name.
come on. You.
All right, there she goes. Sorry. Henry, come back. All right, now we're done with it. We're going to try it on. She's about to put it on. All right, put it on. Let's see if it holds it.